Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I use the Cricut to create shirts. In today's project, I'll be creating some gaming t-shirts. As you can see, I'm using Design Space to create the logos. I'll be using these three: Fortnite, Minecraft, and Roblox. I'll be using 3 different color vinyl. To make the project less complicated, I highlighted the font on the screen in the same color of the vinyl that I'll be using. This will assist me to make fewer mistakes. Now that I'm finished with the designs, I'll just send the project to the machine to be cut. So now I've just cut the Fortnite design. I'm peeling it from the mat. So the silhouette is black and the word is yellow. After cutting out all the designs, I'm now weeding out all the logos from the vinyl. Now I'm finished with all the weeding, so it's time for me to apply the vinyl to the t-shirt. Most HTV vinyl, that is heat transfer vinyl, they already come with their own transfer tape. So luckily for this one, I do not have to apply any transfer tape. I'm ironing the t-shirt to gain a flat surface for the application of the HTV. Before the application, I have to find the center of the shirt and the vinyl so that I can create a straight design. Hence, I'm folding the t-shirt in half to create a seam to be used as a guide. Now I'm applying the vinyl and I'm using a Teflon sheet to protect the vinyl from the excessive heat of the iron. For each press, I iron for 20 seconds, after which I allow the vinyl to be cool before peeling the transfer tape. As you can see, I'm folding the vinyl in half to find the center. After allowing all the shirts to be cool, I'm now peeling off the transfer tape. This is another project I was working on earlier. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's episode, help me out by hitting that like button. And also, if you're new around here, you may want to consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.